Your legs come forward to the front edge of your mat. And the top leg is turned out just a little bit. You use your arm right here in front of you as extra stability. And now with a pointed foot, slowly, 2, 3, flex, take it down, 2, and 3. Point the foot and go up. Think of the leg being very, very heavy and the muscles of the leg working a little bit more than you may normally do. It's a lot more than I normally do. I really tend to underwork my legs. Well, I don't know if that's fair to say, but I tend to just cue everything from my center. And so I'm starting to just realize I could balance out some of the work by giving other parts of my body some attention. And point. Lift up 1, strong leg 2, strong leg 3, flex the foot down, 2, and 3. Now I'll reverse it, flexing the foot, going up. So when you work this way, you may actually end up hiking your hip a little bit more. And I don't want you to worry about that so much today. We flex the foot, and we're going up, and straight knee up, point the foot, go down, and 2, and 3. Flex the foot, go up, and 2, and 3. Point the foot, down, and 2, and 3. Flex the foot, go up, tight straight knee, 2, 3. Point the foot, go down, and 2, and 3. So now it's passe. We bring the toe to the knee. Now let the knee come up to your shoulder. Extend your leg, trying to keep the knee as close to the shoulder as possible. Straighten the knee and lower it down. Whew, that's hard. Bend the toe to the knee and hold. Bring the knee to the shoulder and hold. Extend the leg straight and lower the leg down. And again, bend it. So this is my little bit less flexible leg. So it's funny how it's harder. And down. My flexibility kind of hooks me up on that other side. Toe to knee. My knee comes up and I extend and try to keep the knee high and lower it down. Start the reverse. With a straight leg, I'm coming over and over and over. I bend my knee, keep my knee high. Bring the toe to the knee and stretch it out long. Take it up and up and up. Bend the knee stays high. Toe to the knee and reach it long. Take it up, up, up. Bend it, toe to the knee. Extend it long. Last one. Take it up, up, up. Bend, toe to knee, and take it long. Flex the foot. I bring the leg back. So my leg is in a straight line with my body. So I've got leg, hip, shoulder, and head. Really be thoughtful of not necessarily letting this leg shoot forward. You won't have as much fun there. But even when the leg goes back too far, we tend to compensate by leaning forward, and then it's also maybe not as much fun. So when the leg's in alignment with the body, then the pelvis also needs to be neutral, and the rib cage needs to be pulled in. Leg goes up, and the leg goes down. So when I do it like that, just that range just really isn't very big. A great tool to use is to put yourself on a wall so that your bum and your heel are on the wall, and that'll let you know. Take it up 4. Bring it down. Take it up 5. Bring it down. Take it up 6. And down. 7. And down. Last one, 8. Hold it there. Nice straight knee. Pulse your heel up. Pretend there's a heavy weight on your leg. 3, 4, 5, 6. This makes me sad. 7 and 8. Bring it all the way down and rest.